Now let's talk about how to distribute lesson plan templates to your teachers. You can just allow the teachers to create pages in their notebooks and do their lesson plans on it, but the problem is that they might not be in a consistent format or something that would be easy for you to monitor. It will work out better if you give them a template, give them a form basically that they fill out. That'll make it easier. It will also enable you to more easily check their lesson plans, and we'll go into that in the next video. But what you're going to do is in your teacher only section that we created, and I'm using a OneNote class notebook that I used with my students last year because I already have students in it and I'll be able to show you some of the things that you can do. So I'm going to create a template here. I'm going to add a page and I'm going to say lesson plans week of August 5th. I would say do something like that. Put a date up here. It will help you. It will also help the teachers know which one they're actually filling out. So you have that, and then you have your lesson plan template. So I have here a brief template, just a sketch of one, just to show you how it would work. You can design it however you want. But you create the template here in the teacher only section. Then go here to the class notebook and say distribute page. Be sure that you're actually viewing the page that you want to distribute. So, for example, if you have lesson plans for the week of August 5th, and another one for August 12th, and another one for August 19th, be sure you're viewing the one that you want to distribute to them. So you go there, click distribute page. It's going to bring up over here on the right the student sections, the sections of the teacher. And remember, we set up for the teachers, we set up lesson plans quarter 1, Q2, Q3, Q4, so you would pick out whichever quarter, whichever section you want to put it into. So I'm just going to pick out this one since that's the sample in this student OneNote that I have. Do that, click distribute, and then it shows you kind of a progress bar here. It says distributing to the devotional journals. Now it says it's done. So we can close that little section there. So then after you have done that, then the teachers will see those in their own notebooks. They will have a copy of it just like this, blank, in their own notebook, and then they can fill it out in their notebook. Now, like I say, you can also just leave it up to the teachers. They can create a new lesson plan page each week when they need it. I would suggest that you push the pages out to them. There's a good benefit to doing that, which we'll get into in the next video about viewing teacher lesson plans.